Hello everyone, the world is moving so fast that the most of the population cannot catch up to the fact that systems like blockchain and metaverse does exist. Don't get me wrong, in tier 2 or tier 3 cities there are only few people familiar with blockchain, crypto and NFT, even though it exists from 2008. So in this video, we'll specifically discuss what crypto and blockchain is, how it's work, and the most importantly, how it's gonna change the world. Hello, I am Sahil from Cyber Study. Before getting to this video, it's my humble request to share this video to your friend and family as much as possible, so everyone can understand the concept of blockchain, and also like this video so YouTube can recommend this to others as well. Before getting to blockchain, let's look who created blockchain technology and the first cryptocurrency. Well, the identity of the creator of the blockchain is unknown. All we know, an account with the name of Satoshi Nakamoto is the creator of first cryptocurrency named Bitcoin. And the fact is, when he created Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin was roughly 2 rupees, and in 2022 the current price of Bitcoin is more than 36 lakhs. Isn't it crazy? Well, the main question is why blockchain was created. Well, Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to solve the problem of backdate. For example, if you store something or buy something or transfer money, the details of the transaction can be edited or backdated. So Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to solve this problem and created the blockchain technology. The main purpose of blockchain was to create a decentralized money transfer system. The meaning of decentralized means it's not controlled by any government or private company. For example, in today's world, most of the money are controlled by bank. And if you want to transfer my money to my brother's account who is reading in America, I need to go to my bank, then the bank have to transfer my money to my brother's bank account. So in this case, the main factor is centralized bank, and this whole processing is costly. So in case of blockchain or Bitcoin, we can send that money to anywhere without being noticed by any bank or centralized authority, and the fees, which is called gas fees in crypto, are much cheaper. And here comes the most important question. What people think of cryptocurrency? Well, most of the people believe Bitcoin or any other crypto is going to replace cash. Well, it's not entirely true. For example, there are many crypto trying to build a decentralized ecosystem. For example, the most popular Ethereum. From the very beginning, the creator of Ethereum is not trying to compete with Bitcoin or cash. On the other hand, it's trying to make a decentralized ecosystem where programmer can make new types of apps on this ecosystem. For example, Mana and Sandbox. They are built on Ethereum blockchain, and they are not trying to compete with cash. So now we have a clear idea, all the crypto is not same. They have different purpose, but they all work on blockchain technology. So let's look what blockchain is. Let's get a clear idea how we store our data now. For example, if we use Android, we store our data in Google Drive, and for iOS there are iStorage. But the problem with Google Drive, this account can be hacked easily. Even iStorage can be hacked, which is much more secure than Google Drive. But the fact is, both accounts can be hacked easily, and hacker can access to our data, and that's where blockchain comes in. Blockchain is basically a bunch of information stored in their block. One key difference between a typical database and blockchain is how data is structured. A blockchain collects information together in groups, known as blocks, that hold sets of information. On the other hand, blocks have certain storage capacity, and when filled, are closed and linked to previously filled block, forming a chain of data known as blockchain. What is different from a normal storage and blockchain? For example, if you send me some money through crypto like Bitcoin, the details of the transaction stored in that block, and every block has a hash that cannot be changed. So basically, no one can change that data or backdate that information. And that particular block are divided into 1,000 pieces that are stored in 1,000 different computers. Those computers are called miner. We'll make a separate video on miner. Now we understand the concept of blockchain. So what are the uses of blockchain? Well, I believe every transaction is going to be on blockchain. From the bank transaction to an art auction, blockchain is not a fancy name, it's a revolutionary. For example, the most popular concept on blockchain is NFT, means non-fungible token. If you buy a picture on NFT, the proof of ownership that you own that picture is stored in blockchain. So blockchain can prove the proof of ownership. On the other hand, games can be created on blockchain. There are multiple games run on blockchain, and by playing that game, you can also earn money. It's too good to be true that by playing games, someone can earn money. Well, there are few games like Axie Infinity, Splinter Lands, Star Altars. So blockchain can be used in games. Well, what others we can do on blockchain? Well, movie maker can make movie on blockchain. Nowadays, the picture quality of movie get into 4K, and every movie has some heavy graphic scenes. Think of Avengers Endgame. To make a movie like that, the graphics teams have to make a tons of frame, and when it's time to export that file, it's gonna need graphics of thousands of pieces, and this processing cost is costly. Well, this problem can be solved by blockchain. In fact, an American producer solved this problem When all the frame is ready, just upload it on blockchain, and all the miner in blockchain will make their graphics card in use and export that file, and in return they will get a token which can be replaced by money. So critical problems can be solved by blockchain. Well, we can make movies, games and store data on blockchain. There are thousands of possibilities that are yet to discover. And the Metaverse project is on its way, which is also in blockchain. We'll make a new video on Metaverse, so get ready for it. It will blow your mind. So subscribe to our channel to get updated when we upload our next video, and show us some like. It will help us to improve, and as well as YouTube to recommend this video to others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.